Fashion design is the creation of products. Traditionally, they have been made of fabrics, but today they can also be purely digital or made of other kinds of material. Our course engages with businesses and industry from day one. We're lucky to be here in Cardiff. It does have a thriving but small fashion design community where everyone knows everyone. So our graduates have roles within fashion marketing, within PR, within buying and merchandising, within product development and more technical roles. So really it's all about students finding out where their skills and their strengths are. I wouldn't say there is one single type of fashion design student at USW, and I think that's really valuable. Fashion is for everyone and people are different, and so fashion designers need to be different. So our students come here and they feel at home. That's the best thing, I think.